Welcome to All Old Rare Coins channel, today's fascinating journey into the world of rare coins, where every piece has a story and some are worth a fortune. In this video, we'll uncover the secrets of one of the most iconic coins in American history, the USA Liberty $1 coin from 1971. Whether you're a seasoned collector or simply intrigued by the idea of finding hidden treasure, you're in the right place. Let's dive in. The 1971 Liberty $1 coin, also known as the Eisenhower dollar, was the first dollar coin issued by the United States Mint after the Peace Dollar series ended in 1935. It was created to honor both President Dwight D. Eisenhower and the Apollo 11 moon landing. On one side, it proudly features Eisenhower's portrait, a symbol of leadership and dedication. The reverse showcases a striking image of an eagle landing on the moon, a tribute to one of humanity's greatest achievements. This coin was minted in 3 locations: Philadelphia, Denver, and San Francisco. Each mint produced distinct variations, with some being more common than others. For collectors, the mint mark and condition play a critical role in determining a coin's value. A small letter indicating the mint, P, D, or S, can be found just above the date. Now, let's talk about the different versions of the 1971 Liberty $1 coin. There were both circulated and uncirculated coins, as well as proof coins designed specifically for collectors. While most coins from this series are relatively common, certain factors make some examples exceptionally rare. First, the type of metal is key. Most 1971 Eisenhower dollars were struck in a copper-nickel alloy, but a small number were produced in 40% silver for collectors. These silver coins, especially in pristine condition, command higher prices. If you have a 1971 Liberty $1 coin, check whether it's silver. It could be a valuable find. Second, errors can turn an ordinary coin into an extraordinary one. Some 1971 Eisenhower dollars feature minting mistakes, such as double dies, off-center strikes, or unusual patterns. These errors are highly sought after by collectors and can significantly boost a coin's value. Imagine owning a coin that not only tells a story but also stands out as a rare gem. Finally, the condition of your coin matters immensely. Grading agencies like the Professional Coin Grading Service, PCGS, assess a coin's state, assigning it a grade from poor to mint state. The closer to perfection, the more valuable the coin. For example, a 1971 Liberty $1 in mint state condition with no visible wear or damage is far more desirable than a heavily circulated one. Over the years, the popularity of the 1971 Liberty $1 coin has soared. Collectors and enthusiasts are constantly searching for the rarest and best preserved examples. So, if you happen to own one, you might be holding onto a small piece of history, and perhaps a significant fortune. Speaking of fortunes, there's one question we all want to answer: how much is the 1971 Liberty $1 coin really worth? While most examples of this coin fetch modest prices, a select few have sold for astronomical sums at auction. And here's the most exciting part of our story: some versions of this coin have been valued at $350,000. Yes, you heard that right. This single coin, if it meets all the rare and unique criteria, can be worth a life-changing amount. So, whether you're hunting for coins in your collection or simply fascinated by their stories, remember that treasures like the 1971 Liberty $1 are out there waiting to be discovered. Who knows? The next great find could be hiding in plain sight. Next, we're diving into the story of the USA Liberty $1 coin from 1972. This coin isn't just a piece of metal, it's a treasure steeped in history, design, and even the potential for an extraordinary value. Whether you're a seasoned numismatist or a curious beginner, this is a story you won't want to miss. The USA Liberty $1 coin, more commonly known as the Eisenhower dollar, holds a special place in American history. It was introduced to honor both the legacy of President Dwight D. Eisenhower and the monumental achievements of the Apollo 11 moon landing. On the obverse, or front side, you'll find a bold and dignified portrait of Eisenhower. The reverse features a powerful image of an eagle landing on the moon, clutching an olive branch, a tribute to peace and progress. The 1972 Eisenhower dollar was minted in Philadelphia, Denver, and San Francisco. Each of these mints left a unique mark on their coins. You can identify the mint of your coin by looking just above the date, where you'll see a small P, D, or S. But not all Eisenhower dollars are created equal, and some 1972 coins have become legends in the collecting world. Let's explore why this particular coin is so sought after. The 1972 Eisenhower dollar came in two main versions, copper-nickel clad and 40% silver. The silver versions were intended for collectors and were not released into general circulation. If you're lucky enough to have one of these silver coins, its intrinsic value alone is higher due to its precious metal content. But what truly makes some 1972 Liberty $1 coins so valuable are the minting errors and design variations. The most famous among these is the Type II reverse variety. This version, struck at the Philadelphia Mint, features a distinct Earth design on the reverse, with fewer details of the Caribbean islands. The Type II reverse coins were produced accidentally during a short run and are exceptionally rare, making them highly desirable to collectors. Condition is another major factor when it comes to the value of this coin. Coins in pristine, uncirculated condition, those that have never been handled or exposed to wear, are significantly more valuable. Professional grading services like PCGS and NGC assess the condition of coins on a scale from poor to mint state, and a high-grade 1972 Eisenhower dollar can fetch impressive sums. The story doesn't end there. Some coins exhibit unique errors, like double strikes, off-center designs, or planchet issues, all of which increase their rarity and value. If you think you've found something unusual about your coin, it's worth getting it examined by an expert. So, what's the value of the 1972 USA Liberty $1 coin today? Most examples in average condition are worth only a modest amount, but the rarest variations, particularly those with the Type II reverse or other notable features, can reach astonishing prices at auction. And now, for the moment you've been waiting for. Imagine holding a coin so rare and sought after that it commands a value of $325,000. That's right, a single coin, if it meets the rare and specific criteria we've discussed, could be worth that incredible amount. As you can see, the 1972 Liberty $1 coin is much more than an ordinary piece of currency. It's a tangible connection to history, a work of art, and, for some, a life-changing discovery. Whether you're searching through your own collection or dreaming of finding one in the wild, this coin is a reminder that treasures can be hidden in the most unexpected places. Now, we're uncovering the secrets of the USA Liberty $1 coin from 1974, a piece that carries history, artistry, and potentially extraordinary value. Whether you're a seasoned coin collector or someone intrigued by the possibility of hidden treasure, this story will captivate you. The 1974 Liberty $1 coin, also known as the Eisenhower dollar, stands as a tribute to two monumental chapters in American history: the remarkable leadership of President Dwight D. Eisenhower and the awe-inspiring Apollo 11 moon landing. The obverse, or front of the coin, features a bold portrait of Eisenhower, symbolizing strength and progress. The reverse side showcases a striking image of an eagle landing on the moon, an homage to one of humankind's greatest achievements. The 1974 Eisenhower dollar was minted at 3 different locations: Philadelphia, Denver, and San Francisco. Each mint created coins with slight differences, and these details can make a significant impact on the coin's value. You can identify the mint mark just above the date. A tiny P, D, or S will reveal where your coin was produced. Now, let's explore the unique factors that make the 1974 Liberty $1 coin a collector's dream. While most Eisenhower dollars were struck in a copper-nickel alloy, a limited number were produced in 40% silver. These silver coins were part of a special collector's series and were not released into general circulation. If you have a silver version, its inherent value is already higher because of the precious metal content, but the real allure of the 1974 Eisenhower dollar lies in its rare errors and unique variations. Some coins from this year have been found with minting mistakes, such as double dies, off-center strikes, or unusual planchet errors. These errors are like fingerprints, completely unique and highly desirable to collectors. The rarity of these coins can send their value skyrocketing. Another aspect that drives value is the condition of the coin. Grading agencies like PCGS or NGC evaluate coins based on their state of preservation, ranging from poor to mint state. A high-grade coin with no visible wear or blemishes can fetch a premium price, making even a seemingly common 1974 Eisenhower dollar worth examining closely. But it's not just about condition or errors. Sometimes, the story behind a coin adds to its value. The 1974 Liberty $1 represents a fascinating era in American history, blending themes of leadership, exploration, and innovation. Owning a piece like this is like holding a tangible link to the past, and for many collectors, that connection is priceless. Now, let's address the most exciting part: how much could this coin be worth today? While most 1974 Eisenhower dollars in circulated condition are only worth a modest amount, some rare examples with unique features or exceptional grades have fetched jaw-dropping sums at auction. And here's the moment you've been waiting for: certain rare and pristine examples of the 1974 Liberty $1 coin have been valued at $300,000. Yes, that's the staggering potential of this remarkable piece of history. Whether you're scouring your collection, exploring a coin shop, or simply checking pocket change, remember that treasures can be hiding in the most unexpected places. The 1974 Liberty $1 coin is proof that history, art, and value can come together in the palm of your hand. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey into the world of coins. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with fellow enthusiasts. Until next time, keep your eyes open, stay curious, and happy collecting.